Children, in EVS today we will revise the chapter festivals, that is in your book chapter number 15. Now festival, why we have taken? Because in the next class also you have to learn this chapter with many more informations. So we have taken that. Now before revising the chapter, I want to share something about festival. Now we are living in India. India is called the land of festival. Means different people lives in here and they celebrate different festival. And all festivals are important for every one of us because all festivals are having different rituals, different method of celebrating them, and people are enjoying them. So we live in India by celebrating different festival, and this festival increases brotherhoodness among us. It helps us to meet with our relatives and friends so that bondings can be developed and created. So festival is very important for every one of us because you can tell it a recreation also. Why? Because the daily what you can tell, daily routine will be changed. People will be more energetic. They share their opinion. They wear new clothes. Different dishes were prepared. They invite people invite relatives and guests. So it is a fun time, enjoyable time for all of us. So festival is important for all of us. So let us revise this chapter once again through exercise and activities. As you can see here, festival is written. That it means what is the importance of festival, what is the meaning of festival, what is the need of celebrating festival, we have to write. So we will write here, festivals are the time. We will write here, festivals are the time when people meet with their relatives and friends and have fun. In India, we celebrate different festivals such as, that is below given, types of festival. Types of festival, that is, first we will write religious festival. Religious festival. Then national festivals. Then harvest festival. Now, what is religious festival? These all festivals like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, all these are religious festivals when we invite our friends and relatives and we prepare different types of foods, wear new clothes and have fun. That is all our religious festivals. National festivals are what? When whole nation, whole country is celebrating that festival by hoisting a national flag and by singing national anthem. Such festivals are Republic Day on 26th January we celebrate, Independence Day on 15th of August we celebrate, Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October we are celebrating, as Gandhiji is called the father of our nation. Harvest festival, that is celebrated when crops are ready to be cut. Farmers became very happy, so they celebrate these festivals. They are called Vaishakhi, Bihu, Onam, Pongal. These are the harvest festivals. So we will give example here only. Only I have explained what is religious, what is national, and what is harvest festival. Example we will give here. Religious festival are Diwali, on 26th of January every year. Then Independence Day we celebrate 15th of August every year. Then Gandhi Jayanti we celebrate 2nd of October every year. Now comes to Harvest Festival when crops are ready to be cut, that is Onam, Bihu. You can write Pongal also. You can write Vaishakhi also. Vaishakhi. Okay. So these all are harvest festival. So in short, we can tell that India is a land of festivals, and people celebrate each and every festival with joy and happiness. They invite guests, friends, relatives and have fun in the festival time. In national festival, whole country is enjoying by hoisting national flag and singing national anthem. And harvest festival, people follow different rituals of celebrating different festivals. They prepare special dishes at that time. Okay, so we have started festival with different activity and exercises. Now we will do little bit exercise which already you have learned. Let us start, then only you can understand what will be the next exercise where your participation should be more. Okay, let's start.